Every single day, you are having a conversation with your child, but not with your words. It's happening underneath, in your tone, your sighs, the looks you give them when they try and fail. This silent language is building the foundation of their inner voice. And for many children, that foundation is cracking under the weight of a single, invisible force, our own negative thinking. Let's build a mind. From birth to age 7, a child's brain is like soft clay, shaped by every experience. When you smile at their scribble, a neural pathway fires, I am creative. When you clap for their wobbly dance, another lights up, I am joyful. But what happens when the primary input becomes caution, correction, and worry? Phrases like be careful, you'll fall, don't touch that, it's dirty, or why can't you be more like your sister? Aren't just instructions, they're blueprints. The brain builds shortcuts. Be careful becomes the world is dangerous, and why can't you becomes I am not enough. You are not just raising a child, you are writing the operating system for their entire life. Negative thinking manifests through 3 silent thieves that steal your child's birthright: confidence, curiosity, and connection. Thief number 1, the prophecy of fear. Our fear becomes their limitation. They start seeing the world through what if it goes wrong, instead of what if I can. Thief number 2, the echo of criticism. Constant correction teaches them their best is never good enough. They stop trying to succeed and start trying not to fail. Thief number 3, the shadow of disappointment. When we're too stressed or distracted to be present, the message they receive is, you are not important enough for my attention. And that is the most painful negative thought of all. The good news: the brain is malleable. It's never too late to rewrite the code. The shift isn't from negative to positive, it's from critic to coach. Strategy 1, reframe the language. Instead of be careful you'll fall, try I'm here if you need me. You acknowledge risk without transferring fear. Strategy 2, celebrate the effort, not just the outcome. Say, you worked so hard on that project. This builds resilience. They learn the value is in the trying. Strategy 3, be the mirror. They can't see their strengths until we reflect them back. I saw how kind you were to your friend, that was amazing. You are helping them construct their identity. In the end, the most powerful tool you have is not a parenting technique, it's your own healed mindset. Your child is a mirror. They will reflect the energy you bring. When you choose presence over pressure and curiosity over criticism, you are not just changing their childhood. You are giving them a lifelong gift, the unshakable belief that they are capable, that they are loved not for what they achieve, but for who they are. You are building them a home inside their own minds, a place they can always return to, long after they've left yours. Subscribe for more.